Shimama, Yamamuna, Mohana, so be a Mayatanase. Yet a rap from Tabakasi Bono a Babasum. Na Kanama Panya John Jacunco for a banai aqua China in fear, Yawadan restaurant con aqua Quashasu. Na Yara John Jacunco for the 2 jar at Rossa. Sani Okwaka ya na okwatin tim so 100% Sierra Baumia de Ojina Braneno. Wa won sani papi nuwa asoparo na so nya ho na wo hwekura. Kana mapanyi ora John Dramani Mahama ashase ebokoko wo se de pabi no mu amonam kuntuna se na mo aka nsam se an abato adane yabato ni mprenu ne de kaka ho yabato bi na ade kye yato no safo no munya hweye pa sanse wo ba no betena akonya so a wo bra se mra ebetumi enemodi. Ana waya mamra ni amane ya wapao electric buses bi won to ma won kramantamu a yade ababa di juma na ehon sensem wono yebekom yie papa sanso ana People's National Convention PNC amanyoko no de aba se ne wo de omachita akwakota NDC amanyoko no wachi sanse wo mu no se wo mo ne amanyoko a wo mo hyehyeye no ebetumi aboa Ghana mawe ne nsema hodo pinu a yaboabo no a yede baba somo se promtobeka se bonyumako bia daroma ana worma so yasene 21st clinic yasiatica expert through herbal center what the 3 core capsules and so altayachi aspirant group nie was na person to kwan ko cloud internet woman so aka ho bio ama wura fisa Sompa chade yakoso abom nka yasa de ode baba biada ya bajani ada wasemizo ana 5G so aka ho bi na so enyumako we na nkaya bi na brepam yabeka worm nyina ho nsam de akere wo me a matena se na ya wo beka kan semi midin ene akosia ajewa kwade aboaten ansam ne che mu ankasa eni mampanye dada yero John Ajakunkofo wa banan akọ eyapo yamantamu na bra wakọ yo no wache hene wasaje fo moche fo panyina wotoso mienu na so no konsra hwe ara se wobekọ no de yi akwakoto yi no de odo enso akwakobodomu na abra Gentle Giant wokokodru ye na wana mpanyifo akasa ewapo yamantamu no eno de akwakoto dwa etresa ene no Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia waya Ghana mampanya ba de akire no wono kwane nipa wono de ohunu se ne nsusuye ne kirimopo na dwene ane nhyehyɛ sonko bi a wode ba no ebetumi aboa Ghana maye papaapa wode sabe mpadu asa wono no woya panyina wodue matemante nneema bi wono mo a aya no wote pa so obu nani de guso enti nsansam bi a erena monte so Ghana fo no ma bi a wono keka no ewom se wate de na so de beboa Ghana ana ya no mpampi no wode nani ekɔ na Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia wose papa mra bi atwa muo no wone no akwakoye adwuma no krampono na woyɛ Bank of Ghana empanyimfo ne bie no na papa yi na tu ho akyɛ ne modern bo no yade a na ɛkɔnkan yie papaapa ɛno kra na aka wo bia menne wagye ase ne naso na wopɛsɛ ɛyere so pa so a yɛwura itumi betena akonya so na ne tirimpo ne nsusuye no wode bɛboa ma Ghana yɛtumi ɛkɔyɛ nim
rapon no treno ya kwa ko duba bia mdru na ran ma hyehyɛ duba ese areta oni ayu ofri una mo engrofo brofo bia bese bi the statesman nunka nupa de wo ko enu na nkokora bo nkura na hona na nkafi wa beni wo tru pa anso se asamba na miss with my no ko kakra say yeah statesman won kabi na min kabi ni ko se je sene nyame beye ne hyehyɛ ni mando akura me di fa so Ghana ya na nenu nyina akoyi nya sabi mabofra bia ibu me da 2003 me ko ra Baumia no nanka bank asem financial matters monetary matters or Bank of Ghana fata makoda kitwa nanso wonyibi samre no ama mu zo sakoda no wadachi no ko susuye yapemi mabam mo ka hepekia o ka mobi na shisha yi Ghana frisa mrenu na sabia yesikasem na Ghana was bankrupt. Some people say, "I'm going to be now." Sunyame Adaroma, the Bank of Ghana, your friend Dr. Polakwa. Ya only na koda ni be my buying no musisha yama. Fie bi ni comments na ya Ghana free sa ya no na nje fata enko. Na ne ma ndu akoda no ya ko conference ka bi for London. Many Bank of Ghana governor ni ministers na. Rupta kakraka, jambo kakraka international. Yes, everybody has said the bank, Ghana Bank, Central Bank, the Caucasus. The Minas Akodano, and the governor too, it's not Makodano, the Caucasus. Now, Kodana Kasai, 2003. So we'll be back on project. Kodana Kasai, we are watching us and I'm going for Kodano. Never sharing that. You believe that. We did it. Much of that. Never for them. No, not Kodano.
I was aware Kanema Panyera John Ajakunko for the gentle giant in your turning car. Now, what did Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bomian dance here? I watching him, Fiona, and watching no. Was I the former teal for Panya or Tosumi nu? Watching him so far, Saquaniano so ada. Yerako Fossy, Papa, said, Nay, one should do a double dome. I'm a poor mantemu, or no Ababishia.
I'm sorry. Okay. 25 years or kind to Vanna, I'm a teacher. I'm a senior in na Odisha, so I pray. What's the order? Doctor. Latin, Asia, a control was so and those are we got India and the offers are coming in a coffee in Asia and actually, I say, we are everybody in China. You are not a Sophia or you are not paying. Shriffy, paying for which could be a lawyer. Why did be a Makai? I said, aha, I am the Mecca of Ghana's politics. And yet, well, can't say this.
And what you know, Dr. Matthew, Opoku Premper Franka, Tunia Bedi, Chodema, and Pipi Manyokono, one also for Saquanian so ada Kaneman Pani, Yerako Fossy, Papa, Sir, what time Pipi Manyokono, what you have a pemsa, son, and what you know, what da, what you was Saja from what you for Penny or Tosumi, nu, one also CB.
Begin this will be Ghana, which we are coming and now doing chain. What's to be and watch with you fee and watch with your party
fee are a baby and at this year and now you buy any dinner. So no paying. I will show you. Not true, young family, they will say the truth. Now, the uncle, I said that put a bit more than that. Now we the mosque. You're not too
I was aware Dr. Matthew Opoku Premper and where Franka Tunia Bedi, Chodema, and PP, Amanyokuno. Na Kaneman Panyera John Ajakunko for you and Wamana so wow. What the two jar at Chremo awe Waka South. Abatua and Passoso Atrasa Yamianum no Quasimni. And none wada Yawan and Central for share was Santamatanko Pokumasia. Waka ya sa Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bomian of one short time chie, Sir Wamramadi Mampanino. Send your Ghana for being Masibia shop and one Yasan Ketwakra. Was a sans and something in our tinina. Now when your friend Wadianu Yeba Brew be, said the person was Yana Swabente, one of Shana dear. Nemo one no Yasimadia Yadiana ye. I was what come for na at the Panoncrophone to me who be. Now Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bomia, Papa no modern born in the 2 watch and 20. Wabakwa so atana chisa sanse wono ni nipa wabetumi aboa Ghana mai
Ghana for Electoral nipa bebre preview obi azo no na yebi Mathieu. Baumia Niamano Orkan. Sa, and you also did by Magana and Blanchering it is a money of Yaya, a Bamam Kwama, Moam with my human, not be big as a man for brass in my Brahma money. What you are now the dollar. Never Balu. I'm going to open. I'm from Islam. Wakaso, one mama a party from Obama Ghana Mania. Oba, when you say inclusive government, when you have the money shared in Sat, the baby is very only doctor and the book. One of us I know, I'm a Puma. And you know, crowd, will be on your own for you. Now, Ghana mind the good from I'm a new system. I know for baby and papa who I had as Cano Sapano, the catch of Sabadani, I'm a millionaire. This is our policy at Babian, and I'm so Matia professor happening. Matia, we know here. Not in what the celebrate.
So where Kanema Panyera John Ajikumko for way I walk south about 1 person so and on the Ghana the Shekodisa and Kumui. Kanema Panyera John Ajikumko for area Yanoa no and this Yamanyokono a dim no Yera John Dramani Mahama. Ya watu Frank Adiama wamo wanoso asum. Na wadi atuja elchwase nyamienum no kwa semni. Sanya Ghana for binom about one man find a person as Anua. Woman na was a sadeti no, Nanny Yokora. Nana no one quatia. Sam Troni be your friend so in a bar, Nanasia do. What a year want to meet TV, and not just a walk on some chia career cherampono. Watch that such as about 1 year batunum brenu. A be anchored in the deity, ya ye bedin cato free number 1 aquapemon shoni at yade. Was a sound sending no. Anya de atesa electoral commission krani aposi for the one more jim ahwese papa you betumi aye adwuma nanso so wano ye John Dramani Mahama no asem no ekoso ne sane Ghana fo bi no mo keka no ya MPP fo no asakwaba na sese ya na bekode a anya de obetena sekura na nyame ye adom no obetena konya asem ampanyina wobero se papa yo ebetumi adade eda saafo no ana wo nam wo no kaka sansensem nyina no Ghana mamra ene wo mo bedie
ya mo hye no so abato no yeyina ye to no dakro sa entro na MPP for nama omudi say ebi mo beto 7 na ebi so ato 8 entro na sa nkrofo no mo yesa no omo hwe ni ye if he say ye brofo kasamade e omo friend crime, it is criminal what they are doing na so omo koso yesa ye hye omo nyina so NDC aban ba ye be chi sa nipa ni nyina na ye de omatum
Yera John Dramani Mahama no chosa safo nyina monya hweye pa sansa NDC aba no betena konya so a ye bro safo nyina no ye bachokyere mu na mampanya be de kire Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia wonso ya mamra ne amane amennei electric buses ahodo bi won ma wapa hontoma e won kramantamu na eno ada no de ise adwumadie sonkokora e won kramantamu na anya asem keto ma wo kyerese wano yade a ebaba boa sansa enei no sania fango ho sansam esibi ha wama Ghana shankafo no nyasem keto ma enjisa electric buses nya fe na akwakobu fango bi na ade akwakogumu ni ade hia na sa wo charge na wo kwa wanim na msaya so nche no weno ababa boa makoni abadie ho sansam emu atumi amia ya enchekora nyame ya dom no betena konya so a wade ne etoso mienu enso ebeba Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia.
The commissioning of these buses is the beginning of a broader strategy to modernize and decarbonize the transport sector. I envision a future where electric vehicles are the standard, with modern technology playing a key part in it. This vision will require us to be innovative in our approach to problem solving and collaborate to build a seamless transportation system where one tap-and-go card can be used on all public transport vehicles, including our railway system. For our passengers who will be boarding these electric vehicles, these buses, I think the biggest question in your minds is how much is it going to cost? And I think that the answer, and it is consistent with our estimates, that when I announced this policy in February of this year, when I gave my lecture at the UPSA, I think between 40 to 50% reduction in the fares from these electric buses. This is what you are going to see. From today, when you board it, you will see that the price is 40 to 50% lower because the operational costs are lower and you are able to pass that on to the consumer. And this is where we see the future of public transport going.
I was aware Ghana Mampanya Bediachi, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bamian Yatesa Wakasa, watch us electric buses, see ya dear Babuapa, Naka Konyabadia wants some to me Ejinaso. Now, Central for Shamudiabi, Akoso, I war and cry, and that's what my Ghana emu. Where are People's National Convention, PNC, Amanyukono, and then Central for Akasaya, one more chance a nay, one more Jennifer Fnacha, Dabiasa, one more can some one more kakwa fanoma kwakofa nanso so ane yakaba sanafua no du asankono no ma yakwa to abanti wose won mu gina baako na Ghana fo nyina hunu se afso no esese ba bia mu gina ne e wono moto o maba ade akọ na wono hwe patata kramu ara hwesane manifesto no nkrofo de yatie no wo ma hunu se NDC amanyokuo no ya yera John Dramani Mahama edi animu sa Frankatuni no wo mo de no na da won makoma so pa ye somboa womu sa womu taa womachi a ebeboa Ghana man nam so ntefre na de kure People's National Convention PNC amanyoko na fia bato a yabato no womde omu ho ene omachi taa kwakoma NDC amanyoko no National Chairman Dema Party no Ora Asaki Samson Aringobet won na nsem twofo ekasa ya wo cheche mu de nti amane womoto na mo a etiseyi
8 days to the general election. The PNC not having a presidential candidate cannot sit neutral. For that matter, as a national chairman, in consultation with the leader, we've invited NEC. We have 15 regional representatives representing the NEC meeting today. At the end of deliberation, we discuss and we collectively, majority, have declared that the PNC, the People's National Convention, will show our support to the National Democratic Congress presidential candidate for the 2024 general election.
I was aware National Chairman Dema People's National Convention PNC Amanyoko no Ora Saki Samson Aringobet near turning king. Apostle Kofin Kansa Sakwa Diadoro no Abonmanesa Saint Sak. Papa one na Ayapanyi Kwanchafua. Open Arms Ministries Odano. Na wadi atu judges away. Anyasi adoba tena konya so empre no mienu so no. Ana kyerɛ sɛ wo bo adwuma. Wo mu kura po no aye rajona ko ajekum kofo papa ba tena so ni mpre no. Ghana fo ye hunu nioma obaba ye. Mampanye na dan ko akufo adon so ba ye no ye hunu bi saa. Eji we nya de fofra fe na aba so a. Asa chenchena atwan wo se Ghana fo ye so ankrofo wo apakamu. Na wo kan wo de akwakọ wie se enei Sanya nipa binom krampo kire na se won mo twetwe kane mampanyi yewra John Dramani Mahama se wosa so ba biem ni adeade no wono wodwene wo krampo a wonte ase na yede wo tena so one time kra na ba ye adwuma wo ba ye e wo my Ghana mu
se president bi ye to aba mana oba ni be di so ansa na wakọ ai Lawrence ba mienu okoye kufo ba mienu okoye ai no aka mama baya ono ba akọ okọ na menso meba na obedi mienu nti na oka na are no bi ntu ekufo ado sam na ka wonso aka gu wa nka so wani mas wo ka di gu wani mas e se enya mienu no haba be diri na hiyo tabiu enya mienu na e ma wo no de odi ya ne hia ena ewiase nyina di atum nkwado o ne Afrika kakra o mani Afrika kakra di atum o ma ba be ya ma panyin
before we gan hayina no wo na na kufuado no obo mi amona ma bom pa mona ma bom mona ma mo no pon so nti and this John Dramani Mahama mfie na obedi ye no wo na na kufuado wo ne ba omi an ekoye jam mfie aduonu kura mutumi ye nti hade e kono nti aduonu nan kura mutumi ye nti obi nti an na kufuado na asem de mfama if you say yeah so ko mienu ne de ka
anya so ko mienu ne de ka se wo ye dwuma na we no kura no se mampanye na do wana be de kire ya ka wo mo betena konya so wan man twatawu a mampanye na do ene Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia wo mo ene dika we Apostle Kofin Kansa Sakwade we general overseer Dema Open Arms Ministries ya ewo omayimu. Another duane yara no mo National Peace Council wo mo ne amanyoko awodo ye wo ma Ghana mu betena se atokesa na fei wo do ansa ahyankrata se mena di adanse sa fei abato no wo nyina gina ho adema asomdwie afe wo mo kompeso awodo sonso a na wo mo ka ama wo mo gita nyina ahunu bisa afe abato no sabio eye kokromoti ne wonye kokoti se wode wa beti ni ade ekokoko entokwa se wo kwakwa kire wadwe ne hia ne nya mampanyini mapa wo no ba betena akonya so asemi nti ye kwa ma no so ye ne panyipa ye ba na bambo mu sayi a aya na wabere mu Owura Richard Kumado akwakodi ho enkomo obaye kase mo official pa o yo Richard official pa nso Owura Richard Kumado ye mo ha o
hello
mo ye ro temenka apom ye de
mbaja mi de o grandpa
mo ya dase ana ye hunu sa National Peace Council ana ya manyoko ahodo no akwa akwahia ane asomdua pamuyi wodonsa akwa akwahyehyase na wonso de aba ne bambo mu a yenim se wabene mu sa ne o ma tese no mahunu bia anade na yenhwa ne mu na efiri ne nso de kro no betimi de sesan bia ba awa manyoko no won makasa ye mu ana
this unless you say there's a contrary view to that. But me did say sepa peace nyama bi na ya lead to peace. And I say nyama bi na ya yanye na edi basabasa ye beba. But me who say ya sign peace edi peace be about in our election. NDC MPP election is always characterized as violent. And to me who the importance of the peace fight and I say whatever it is. But let's wait and see. But for me, I don't see the need for the peace pact. Seriously, I don't.
Na so kwa de ka hu so da hia obi ya o.
That is the way I see it. But if there is a contrary view, everyone or other reasons are very stronger than mine. But for me, I don't see the need for a peace pact in an election. If you sign the peace pact and you go to the electoral poll and you can't find your name, where does peace council come in? If you sign the peace pact and you have 2 votes in your police station and you get to the constituency and it becomes 20 votes, where does the peace pact come in? If you sign the peace pact and at the end of the election they shot people and kill them like Techima's house, where does peace pact come in? So I don't really get the connotation or the benchmarking signing of the peace pact and actual peace in election. I don't really see it. Yeah.
Na obi nso bakasa say yade yansa ahase na yo nyina ya gi atum ya dwena kwa benkrom se ye taakire se asomdue mara no afa bi no aya na emmadane de nyina kaka ya manyoku awodo no sane ye baya empo no entakokora sikura no won behunu kwan ya wo ne won mo chitaefo no betumi akasa anan nso hunu ne sa
Last 2020, most sign a peace pact, no say a communipa aid or Techima's house. Say a poor motu, communo, and then I media one piece of peace council for the communipa and then on we have found. So let's see a very tangible question, Anna.
No
I don't even know, say, electoral commission, the election report normally by no sir, killing of people like Techima's house was part of it. I don't know about that. But if it's you sign a peace pact, you know exactly what to do. You weren't killing people. So you don't think there has to be a ramification? And even if you kill people, it's a criminal offense. It has nothing to do with space park. So that one is an issue for Dampari. And the Obama said Dampari shows are better about the Chichima South because the blueprint, so the Nuka one, why have you not investigated the case? So when it comes to election, we are just wasting the time of everybody. Let's go and do what we're supposed to do. But all these wahala troubles and all that, I think it's a waste of everybody's time. Seriously.
And to one of the Sanka, young from Rabin Tatuana, and I can't share with Robin and Comunye.
No, exactly, because I was Papa Police. I'm not yet the head of Election Security Task Force. Now, so no ground to be prosecuting the people. Peace Council are only any legal backing to go and prosecute anybody at the court. Which of these two will you believe? Is it not Papa Police more than the Peace Council? So we are just wasting the time of everybody.
And to your quiet Nimono, I dare now over Susanka. And when you form from walk when we send a baya, Yami Admon fear 9 for Freddy and Nimono, and come to me, Jumasa.
I have one before two. Electoral Commission, do your own. Papa Police will do their own. On election day, you need NDC, you need MPP, you Ghanaians who form line to go and vote. And to hear your public education. So, Mama, your public education. Now, Electoral Commission will do number 1, Papa Police will do number 2. We will not have any problem. So that is what we need to be concentrating. I think from tomorrow they are bringing the ballot papers back to the constituencies. A major electoral activity. That is where our eyes need to go. And stop wasting the time of everybody. Are you the first people practicing democracy? If you are looking for democracy with everybody, did you see them signing any peace pact? Because the laws work. When you flout the rules, you'll be punished. And it brings reasoning to somebody or everybody because they themselves non-punishable of offenses to rationalize bad behavior and promote antisocial tendencies in society. Kwame Kodiboni, Yanyanushi, Kujoso himself did the same for Nyankosushi. Why are you not dealing with those things as black people? And stop wasting your time on many of these things that do not help anybody,
You was senior Wassa and none one was in Saria. Before be up here from Bawada, my Bassan saw Bopnum. I was your way, you are Richard Kuma Dono, a banabambo more abrimu, and I watch us, as I assume Giapamua, one day, when you call don't fear Nibiada, one mustn't say no, and for so be I am pumping where the bro, my name and Kedembra, and us and chef for be tatua, canum and a kebaboye. Now, you go so the water and somewhere more. Waka North about 1 person so and Yadri. And this constituency chairman, your Gregory. Kwashi, and another some 12 for Akasa, Atrasa, one am now water tier. So, Collation centers and Fiona Biayanaja, one quality, a man of them, one. I feed the electoral commission, but so done it free water before from was a henny ha, and Yadion Batia Selkra. Now, baby, a model cross of Babas and my as a shell for you, Ned Jesumasi Jodi Bacosua. Anya dia woman DC for ya. I walk quite north about 1 person one wombe hunu. Namsaya soon till one more catch electoral commission. Sanya dio batia sienne. Watching another chair a can say. One more say ya done in electoral commission de Juma. Sir Suku Muanasa a yam shade and a circulation centers and one mother chrono. A few word dear no able to me a year Juma sa. Abra Yera Gregory. Kwashi 1 and some 12 for Akasa. Now watch a chemudian chairman and Yabre. Now, what was what can be electoral commission? Say, and what can him?
It's me at Waba. Now, Kanko North Constituency. The Collation Center, Immaculate Conception, sorry, NSA school. Roma, sorry, Kasiapa, with big compound. Now, and they about die park meeting. And election officer, Mrs. Eunice, Yabwakwe, change say, we're moving the Collation Center from Immaculate. I walk room, Newboy Town, at the Abaha. This uncompleted building. I say a revenue collection point. I saw a good municipal revenue collection point. Election officer and say, after I say, and your collation. Yes, we are see there. She has no basis to change the collation center from where it was. Because I want no a chrome light or rose or BBI okay. Now the uncompleted building I am municipal assembly. Then so I hire your opponent and the campaign office. They be an cast epakia the materials go almost every year campaign. Now, how do you do collation at the campaign office of your opponent? It will not work. And see, Bahasa, and you say, "There, can no makaso, if you are boa, you the more this uncompleted building, this uncompleted edifice. I assume to be say almost yembe collation. Ya Bahasa and Indian airby."
I know Chipany Pada to us, such as Wabatsrapa, Electoral Commission Panion for IGP, and a woman can be a woman in Amram when assassin we at Wincha.
First to her boss because so we are petitioning her superiors, the regional electoral commission boss, the national electoral commission boss. We are the copy of my IGP. Near the major embassies in Ghana, because those who foment trouble during election, quickly then they run with their family. Yes. Last election, assembly election, they caused a similar problem. Oh, could be a box so in a collation center. We had to go for a rerun at one police station. By a rerun, this election officer, Mrs. Jabokwe, on any family, they were not in the country during that period. No. So she is preparing the ground to cause confusion and run away. We are petitioning all the embassies, say, so be creating any mayhem. So be provided the platform for confusion and chaos. Almost sign upon we should stay in this country and solve the problem here. What does it?
Which I was your way a year and this constituency chairman your war or Kaikwe North about 1 person. So you are Gregory Kwashi. Your call at Chama ya no our Fija Quabre South Man Cinema our Santa Mantemu. Adesha ya honorable Fuye Papa at Trossa Agenda 111 and no monim seja. Abana de one more dear Bromama almost said to me I can in Tamuswano. And then one more CD and also Sabaya. Obewie nwadwuma nyina ma nurse fo ne adokotafo abemwa ba yadwuma eno so kwakwa ebuachi bidin na nya no nko won ma kwan nyina danso nye ama kwan no kora apono ya tumura gu nkyan ama tese wona mofa na enwura nso hwia wo fa wo mse sa nneoma no nyina yade ha wo mapom de mu nsem to mbesra mpanyifo eno ne kine yada omumra mu
ade problem na ha ya kwai ne se na anu ya kosu kire MC ya mudo machine ebe fa so kakrama na nkromusu munwi no mbeba na ye hwe omani ni project ya we agenda one way say workers nyina free site ama ha normal ekoso wa ha no enye fine ubehu yes we abetwa wo ya security bia ni ha tinki esraba ne say wonsa ma ontwane ni mehwe atrama agenda one way no say workers bia ni site ha security bia ni ha ebo normal no ba eda ewo kwan ho na ba bia ye wo no so nsu atwa ye kure nyina ho ahia nti nsu to na say egu bora no so na etene ana se susuan no etwe bola no ede kokogu ye nsu wa nsu na ewo ye nkrum ha no na nkru na atwa ye ho ahia no so esasa nsu ni bi na onde aye wona de nti nsu to na se twe bola no kokogu nsu wa nsu ni mu wo mo mbesa nsu no ya na de yade ene normal bebre o how bebre na edeba enti yeseresa aban enka wontwa na ni mehwe kwan no na biom onse ntwa na ni mehwe mbora na maye bora na bi nim sa aban ntimi nya hweko betima maye container ebetimi bi esi ana temamfo no ato bora na gumti ede ye nam sa akwanya nso esere mo se mo mane nto aban no ne ye mpanimfo ni nyina se omontu mo ni mehwe ye nkwan no ene ye mbora no emaye ebeye omaye
I was your way or man for war at Chamano, and no war a Fija Quabre South Man Cinema Santamantemu, and yet say one more how cra, or there are two abino enim. Shassa and now we are called Kumasa Overseas Junction. Alpha Radio and Chawana Moa, 121st Clinic, one no more a war. A doctor for no honorable barrel kama power siateka. What was in ya action what about Namro more no about show now what was here at your free home. Wabua sense or council quarters, Accra. Dome market, Sunyan and Kranta Chiman, Siateka, and I can want some sano 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 Mizo and 5G Christmas Ibaya da Efrimizo. And no dear papa, what do you want to tear Pogina Nassau? When you be a babu papa, passion overseas junction, neither so pomo eguho. Cloud internet and so you see internet no. Papa no one channel what 24/7 Sajana Suani and Tonko and Yashi. CCTV camera may install being from digital security locks were posting. Cloud at a one mabem top high 111 FM dish anymore. For 0202 699 110 0202 699110 Sompa chadia emo entade empaboa anwa 10 tomatoes ni nyina ya beje ne yada wase ebusua kwa ye Ghana Commercial Bank abronsanim awon kranzan ye wo ho sunya ne ye wo night market Kumasi Benrom Hotel a mobile money ya homa ne 05 98 559 802 0598 559 802 Edini Electoral Media Anasa Blessed Foster Express Group of the Woto Kwan Canada US UK Holland Australia New Zealand Germany e wonyina da yedoba kwa ma won to papa won krata sam bibia ba ye wano Kumasi Asafu Labor Runabout Accra Kaneshi First Light 0249 00 0448 0249 00 0448 After 3 o'clock capsules in ye. Where your cocoa master draw tata shit. Sisi adia cocoa yam timono. 3 o'clock capsules in to a siama water war. Cocolena keba done here by Misty Epidank 0546 107 107 0546 107 107. Yapen swabia nomnia die and hotel ya ba. Yada dia canabetos.
This is 21st clinic in Kwa. Woman dear bibidro and the best I don't know the machine account home. Aya sabia Arabia with me the corner my dear Pakua woman GD womupano. Aya sciatica and a stroke so the qua. Diabetes ni hypertension ni ade ni ade. Ghana ha baby a womo ho. Fre 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. That's a 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Prakasa ya duabon waso a ne dwumadi wo nipadua biara pomden ene na brabo mu ne hia yi pa enye prakasa nko nuaba ne ahaban bi te se kwunsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekọ animu yi ankasa prakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de ya prakasa powder siesi nipadua na abo akwa ahodo no ho ban afrimpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre ana fa enkodate de ma baako woni nsuhie yetin anopa ne anwumre wobra wadidi awie ubenya prakasa powder to Kingswalk Heba ne Heroes Heba Accra Okechi Drug Lane Dani Heba Kumasi Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Cash and Carry Supermarket Asantwa Heba ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Heba Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14 prakasa powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratu mu agiatum
Hey sewa me hu acho me na no me bisa ekra so kwa abrochu
Kwaku afeina me beko men krata krani
ene me ma connection man for den kofo sika aduane ne wanya otedi musa no
Oh Express Group Advertisements according to IF4 opese otu kwan kosua dia Express Group do be call mine be to say Canada US Australia UK and Germany say a tour and as a visit in so Express Group do be call Dubai Canada US Australia and Germany mo am pese mo tu kwan ko ye adwuma nso obetimi do wa ko Dubai Qatar, and also South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi Asafule Roundabout Accra and so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From more Ahumacho for ISO 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris B's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris B's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris B's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris B's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris B's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Sompa TV, Emma Aketiapa.
I was sure Emma Aketiapa ampa ye ko ansa fofromu. Na anano parada sori ye. Ya was Believers Worship Center. Ye wo Kumasi Kenya se. Anya ansore mano wonmo nyina. Wonmo bobo ko jamu ni tuntum. Ye yanko wonmo ntiase ni nyina no yese. Wonmo tese wonmo sofo panyini. Ora Steven na adom chebafuo. Adom nyame nipa binum ahyase kasete ya no ase won free nyame ne ade na sansansam no Ghana fo keka no enya de ansore ma ne betena se ama na ye ho asemi nti ye ko ma no so ne ye ama ne boni ba wa bedu akwakode ho enkomo ba o ma han na anioma mboko de nyame adom boni bi ansie na kenya na me no ka se de enya profra na se sia no o mu da so twi ntontonu ana no mo sese ya nkasa
Believers Worship Center. I saw no Oma Bukujan and I say Oma Tiesi Monteso, Omo Casa, Omo Kakra, Ediatra this year. A walk for them one as a Ghana, Afana baby. Omuche Mundana say, July move and a Christian Council, Eddie Crash, Ediba Montese, almost of Penny, yes, in a boom chibia, or day Philadelphia, so on the Bayano. Omuche Muse, Papano, and then they serve you, Omo Antichrist. Omuche Muse, Christian Council, Platano, on the Bayan, and then Nama, Addition to Paya. And you see, I know the phone that's in the and you know, Papana Atema and Yabro. If you cry for Opera, cassette as a woman said. See, I don't know so much that Antichrist is any almost as so much. There's a homo pay a fine as you have the advantage. And on the Akahuyama and I'm pay additional book giant. Almost a placard near the Executive Panana said Philadelphia as a funeral, Papano, on carbon, now on your Bolivian Sunshine. I saw it yet. Well, can you bet you about 10 or didn't put your points? No. More people could never be for Casa Papa Antichrist in Kenya and Manimuya. Almost Christian Council said, Omo Moment now, Jimmy look at say, Oma now almost said, Yana, I know what the Bamon say. Prophet, I don't say, you are no Antichrist, no Oma, Manoma, Mess, Oma, Nodia. And yet, almost betting to scope of party, actually, a Christian Council now be a buying almost 2 South Fred, a year IGP. Dampare now say a buying almost Kebi Home say. Christian Council in Ghana this year said no more Philadelphia saw me air pass on it. And nam no kwan so a moment now and yes high. Never almost Casano. Secretary Owura Amwako. Me check a couple of muscle pesci. Na and you bring Yakamuno. Yet the Ababa Sumi chief for woman in
say papa saving Advertisements, the voice of God, say on the Antichrist. Now, sir, I said you about a minimum, and you as a before minimum, and the right to minimum seven, or we or Titiapa. As I say, I can say, it's a papa. And in the nine, or why you have the pop and the podcast, I will tell you that the first. And if you are not the phone, I'm as a say, if you are not the phone, or to be 20 years. Tell people, or what's your number being, or whatever, when am I letting to who? To me, and then you must say, now, when now, it's a Ghana constitution. I am moving now. I say, to me, I do a person again. To me, I saw a person. Now, I'm a it's a obi ever Moses. I had a different answer.
I was your secretary at the Believers Worship Center. So for Steven, Adum Cheba forward no, and your tenant cano or Amuakona, somewhere in other Yaman Boniba Wabedu, and na at the Bray. Ya concern from one another electoral commissar Samuel Kaya, now the two judges are Sanya Bayana, about one and Kayan Muno, and some drop for Sab Yodono Mamabo, and Perso, our Collation Centers, who drop Pinua and tea. Ne one by a bit diaboasan, ya by our betted so Titiru and the Regina Diano, Anya Crano, and drop for Bessa Dumia Media House, Wamoba Kebab Wapa, now one Mujuma Diano Aqua Wano. Now, a Frida electoral commissar, that's some number 2, Jano, Nippo Penua, Duamano at Mubi. Yaka say political science lecturer, Yawadne Juma, our University of Ghana, Professor Ransford Jampo, Adnan Tumu, Etrasa, Common and Chaye, and nay, yes, a BBM wono. Yawa Kemamin Kabi, a fair central force on a car, Yana 14 years. Na ye na den central for dum yenu pa na kwatena hoyi. Eja sema wo mbaba ka no sakoba sentesa ebesidai na Ghana ya jedi.
I am at the same time trying to issue a statement calling on the Electoral Commission to stop what it is doing, trying to restrict media houses. Okay, this is not what we this is not what we are used to. And if we've been talking about transparency, then for the first time we are saying we are going to be. Okay, and I am trying to issue that statement forcefully. Jean Mensah is like a sister to me. She trained me. I worked with her for 14 years. And I left, and then she was also appointed the chair of the Electoral Commission. So we've had a working relationship. But if it's about saying things as it is, there is no brother-sister matter. Okay? I'm finishing the statement. Afterwards, I'll tell her that please resign your decision and give myself up to evening. If she doesn't, we'll speak our mind forcefully. Okay? So, and this one, I don't know how we'll train you to do that beyond telling you to do it. Nobody will do anything to you. The worst they can do is to kill you.
Na anu wachi uniform auditor general wa ya o domlevon so na no tumubi ya wachira se ya na electoral commission wobel chenchena atwan de agina mudi a ana na dan kra so ama semtwe ne biada ensi ho.
I would like to join Prof. Jampo to say that I equally condemn this restriction on the media. I think the media that are being accredited to cover the election should all boycott it so that we don't see anything. Either we go together or we all don't go. I think you should come together as a media and tell Electoral Commission, if you allow us in, then nobody's coming in. I don't think they have that right to deny Ghanaians information or access to information. So that one, Prof, I join you in condemning it in no uncertain terms.
I was your way, Raya, Domlovono, no, and Canon, where Auditor General, my Ghana, a Moya General so. Now then, something na SC, Cocoa Veronica Jando. Ya Grace, Boozy, Akosia Somwa, Reverend Michael Happy, Yadamina Mwasadam Wasi, Ora Sante Yabua Benedict, in some for Panion Swasada and Count. Mensuam de Casabana Soma, Miamidi, Ane. Akosia Ajewa kwa dia buatin. Several dia ya soroswa kwa na sompankomo abetos.